Hey my creators, welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I have for you some loaded chili baked potatoes, which is really good. Oh yeah, and in my link, please check out my spices, y'all. You ain't gonna need nothing else in your food other than these low sodium spices. You will not be disappointed. They are on sale for $7 today. Link in bio, www.tishcreativecooking.com. Go ahead and order that spice up, y'all. Now, let's get into this baked potato. So you just want to go ahead and get your russet potato, poke some holes in it, put your aluminum foil. Of course, season your meat with Tish Creative Cooking. Got some garlic there. Put you some garlic up in there. Add your kidney beans, some onions, some bell peppers, some red peppers if you will. Some crushed tomatoes, of course. Only other spice I would use is McCormick. Yeah, they owe us just a check. But anyway, put you some chili mix in there, some green onions, the secret ingredient, some beef seasoning, a few splashes of Worcestershire sauce, y'all. Take that potato out, make sure you salt, pepper it, put some butter up in there, put 2 layers of cheese, one going down now. Put some chili up on there. Oh my God, so hearty, so good. Then put you another layer of cheese up on there. Stop playing with yourself. Put that cheese on there. Then you want to go ahead and garnish with some green onions, y'all. A dollop of daisy. And voila, magic, baby. Thank you so much, you guys. Until next time, be blessed, my creators. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Love y'all.